Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we were talking about the lesson Your Own Book of Science. We were talking about lesson. What was name of our lesson? Your Own Book of Science. Correct? That is lesson number 4. What is number of our lesson? Lesson number 4. In this lesson, yesterday we studied about an experiment. I told you have to in freezer you should have ice cubes. Correct or not? There is a tray of ice in the freezer. You have to keep water in that tray, and once that water will turn into ice, what you have to do? You have to remove one cube of ice. You have to keep it on a dish or a plate. You have to take one plate. On that plate you have to keep that ice cube. You have to take one thread. You have to spread thread on that cube, and you have to sprinkle some salt on the cube, and then you have to touch the both ends of the thread, and you have to check whether the ice cube is hanging or not with the thread. I told you I will take that experiment in next period, but because of some problem I could not take it. So you try that experiment at home, and when our regular school will start, that time we will do that experiment in the class. Okay. Now if we are going to proceed, we are going to continue with the same lesson forward, or we are going to continue with the lesson on page number 8. It is given yesterday's was first experiment of ice cube. Now second thing, it is asked, now there is a puzzle in the surrounding. There are puzzles in your surrounding. Now what puzzles are there? That from that one puzzle is given over here, and then some questions are asked to you on back page. Okay, on page number 9. Here it is told that why does it hail even in summer? Now what is reason behind the hail in the summer? Now hail means what? H-A-I-L. Hail means small balls or pieces of ice. In Marathi we call for hail gara. What we call for hail? Hail means gara. Why do we get hail even in summer season? In summer season, why it rains? And when it rains, why we have hailstones in the rain? That is the question which is asked in this page. Okay, on this page. Here now some reasons are given. I will just read reasons, and then I will explain you why it hails in summer season. I know it very well, but then I would like to read for you. We feel very hot in summer. The sun shines brightly and the temperature is high. And then suddenly there are clouds in the sky and it starts raining. Not just water, but even small balls of ice. Small balls of ice. We say it has started hailing. In Marathi, what we say for that? गारांचा पाऊस चालू झाला. In English, it is said that we say it has started hailing. The small balls of ice are called hailstones. The small balls of ice are called what? Hailstones. Why does it hail in the hot summer season? As we now reason behind this is what? Now that there is a question asked, why does it hail in hot summer season? उन्हाळ्यात गारांचा पाऊस का होतो? Okay. Now here answer is given. As we move up from the land, the temperature begins to fall. But in the sky, it is very cold even in the hot season. You may know that there are water particles in the clouds that we see in the sky. Very high up in the sky, the water particles in the clouds turn into little bits of ice. Sometimes there are strong winds in the clouds. They push these little bits of ice upward so they do not fall to the ground. They go up and collect more water particles which freeze onto them. Thus, the tiny balls get bigger and bigger. They turn into hailstones. The heavy hailstones then fall to the ground in the form of a shower. Very tiny hailstones melt before they reach the ground. They turn into raindrops, but some hailstones reach the ground before they melt. A light shower of hail can be a great fun, but the hailstorm can cause great damage to crops, plants and animals. Maharashtra was hit by a series of hailstorms in 2014. The hailstorms devastated thousands of acres of standing crops. Fruit crops were ruined. Birds and animals were killed and injured in large numbers. Farmers suffered heavy losses. It was a great natural calamity. It was a great natural calamity. Now I have read one page for you, and in Maharashtra 2014 there was an hailstorm. Okay, there was a hailstorm. Now I want to explain you that why does it hail in the summer season. Summer season means what? उन्हाळा. उन्हाळ्यात गारांचा पाऊस का होतो? Because as we go high from the land, your land is there, for example, as you will go high, it is plateau. After plateau it is what? Hill. Okay, before upside of hill is what? Mountain. I will just show you. This is plain area. Where we stay it is plains. As you go up of the plains it becomes plateaus. Okay, when you will go more up it will become hills, and when you will go more up of the hills it will become mountains. What it will become? It will become mountains. And it is said that when we are staying on plains, our area is on plains. There are hill stations. Hill stations are there: Lonavala, Panchgani, Mahabaleshwar, Shimla. These are hill stations, and more up is mountains. Correct or not? Mount Everest, Himalayan range. That are what? That are mountains. And it is said that when you go high up from the land, temperature reduces. Temperature reduces. It is not hot. It is cold when you go up in the sky. And it is said that there are very small water particles in the atmosphere, and when wind blows, correct, now we are on the ground, when wind blows, what happened? The water particles which are there, those water particles are pushed up. Where they are pushed? They are pushed up, and when they go up, you know what is the condition of weather up in the sky or in the clouds? It is very cold over there. Even in summer also it is very cold upside. And then this water particles, when wind blows, those particles are taken up. And when those particles goes up, which particles? Water particles, पाण्याचे थेंब. Okay, small, it is tiny. We cannot see those particles, and those water particles are pushed up in the sky. And then what happens? If there is a one water particle, it is pushed up. There is second over here. Then this first one will go and join it. Then there is another, there are more 5, 6. Then this will also go up and join, it will become little big. This will also go up, then it will become more big. Understood? Then there is fourth water particle, it will go and it will become more big. Again fifth water particle is there. When it is pushed by wind, it will go up and it will become more big. And in this way, what is formed? In this way, hailstone is formed. Hailstone means gara. Understood? Hailstones are formed, and when they are becoming bigger, what happens then? It becomes very heavy to those water particles to remain in the sky, and those water particles come on the ground, or they fall on the ground in the form of rains. And so we say in Marathi, गारांचा पाऊस झाला. Understood? It is, have you understood how hails are formed in the sky? There are fine or tiny water particles in the atmosphere, along because of wind, those water particles are sent up in the sky. Temperature in the sky or in the clouds is very cold, so these water particles are getting collected together and they form a hailstone. And these hailstones, when they become bigger, then what happens, these hailstones cannot hold water in them and they fall down on the ground in the form of rains. And there are some small hailstones, when they fall on the ground in the form of rains, what happens, they melt, because temperature on the ground is more, temperature in the sky is less. And when they are coming, small hailstones, chota gara, when they come on the ground, when they are going to fall on the ground, that time only they melt. And when they melt, they will change to what? They will change to water, or they will turn into water, and then they will fall on the ground in the form of raindrops. Themb in Marathi we call it. Have you understood? So here it is to ask question that why it hails in the summer season. Then have you understood meaning of why it hails in the summer season? Just keep in mind, there are water particles in the atmosphere. Those water particles are pushed upward by the winds. Then those water particles get collected together, and when they get collected together, they become bigger in size. And when they become bigger in size, they fall, they cannot hold water, and they fall down in the form of rains, and that rains is called hailstones. Now we say it is hailing, and there are some hailstorms. Hailstorms means what? वादळ, गारांसोबत वादळ येणे. And here it is told that in Maharashtra in 2014 there was a hailstorm which killed lot of animals, which killed lot of birds, and the crops which were grown by farmers in their farm, those all crops were ruined. It was devastated. Devastated means what? There is a word. Devastated means damaged. Devastated means what? Damaged. And ruined means also damaged, destroyed, or you can say ruined. Ruined means what? Destroyed. Ruined means what? Destroyed. Devastated means damaged. Have you understood? Have you understood meanings of words? Okay. And this was the one question which is asked in the lesson. Why does it hails in the summer season? Okay. So now next question here. Now on page number 9 it is given. You may have other questions that puzzle you. Note down at least 10 such questions on the basis of your observation of things and events in your surrounding. Now what you have to do here, it is told that there are many questions in your mind. Correct or not? There are many questions in your mind. For example, why does flowers fall on the ground? Why does apple fall on the ground? Why does fruits fall on the ground? Why trees are green in color? Right? Why human beings move from one place to another? In this way, there are lot of questions in your mind. You know it very well. And these all questions, you make set of 10 questions and write down that 10 questions in your own book of science, and you can ask answers to your teachers, you can ask answers to your parents. Correct? Now teachers are not available for you, so you can ask your parents. If you want to ask teachers, then you can call your teachers and ask questions. And 3 questions are given in this book, and those 3 questions are very interesting. That 3 questions I will take in next period. But till then, have you understood how does hailstones fall on the ground? Hailstones means what? Hailstones means gara. And when they freeze in the sky, freeze means what? They turn from water to solid, from liquid to solid, they change their state. Understood or not? They are water particles, and when they go up in the sky, they freeze and they become ice. Small balls of ice are called hailstones. Okay. And when they get gathered together, they fall in the form of rainfall on the ground. And then we say it is hailing in our area. Always it hails in our area. That is because of these water particles which gets collected in the sky. I think you have understood this topic. Yesterday we studied of ice cube. I think you have done that that experiment at home. You can take help of your parents, because your parents are also at home. Don't say that my father is not there, my mother is not there. At least one parent is there at home. You can take help of your parent to do that experiment. Second thing we have studied today, it is why it helps in the hot summer season. And third question is, there are some questions asked to you, and those questions are given in your textbook. I will tell you answers of those questions in next period. Okay, that's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow, or I will explain you some 3 interesting questions are there, and those questions always are there in your mind. You ask those questions to your parents, you ask those questions to your mother many times, and I am going to give you answer of those questions in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.